evening to all my farmers all over the globe. Here Dr. Shashi will explain one interesting topic regarding mycorrhiza, which I really felt very happy. I request you all to watch this video and let all the people learn about mycorrhiza. So please share. What he says is very interesting. Mycorrhiza is only the fungus which helps the plant to live on this earth, because it is the one which uptakes all the nutrients to the plant and everything. Sir, with your words, sir is a Dr. Shashi, whose specialization PhD in mycorrhiza.
Okay. You want to explain in
Yeah,
English?
what did you say? Yeah, please tell in English.
Okay, fine. So there was one science paper. It says about they have conducted some experiment in a forest ecosystem where they labeled the carbon with radioactive material and then introduced it at one corner of the forest. After a few years, the same carbon which is radioactive labeled has got from the other side of the forest ecosystem. That clearly indicate that the carbon which is fed at one corner of the ecosystem has traveled through mycorrhiza, what we call is a network of web across the forest ecosystem. It traveled from one plant to the another plant and another plant to the another plant. Like the network is spreading all across the forest, and then we found the scientists have found the radioactive carbon at the other end of the forest ecosystem. That clearly suggests that the mycorrhiza is connecting the entire forest ecosystem.
So same thing in agriculture also. What sir says is, even if there is no nutrients, even if there is no chemical fertilizers, even if there is no water, even if there is nothing in the soil, if mycorrhiza and plant both can survive together. What sir says is, when the earth was formed, first mycorrhiza was formed, second plant was formed. That was a creation, because both has a symbiotic relationship. So without VAM, there is no agriculture. So I request all the people study more in the Google and study, and that VAM is one of the biggest network in this world. Not only from India, it can connect even to US. So that is what sir is saying. It is connection under the earth. Globally, it is connected. It's more connected than the internet. So that is what sir says that, and also whatever it is has here the soil, it connect to that soil also. That is amazing of the creation, which I request all of you to study this and request all of them to use in their soil, which is what all the plants are doing agriculture. So people says no water, no rains, food security is going to become a problem, but this will help us to all the living beings to live on this earth. According to one discussion, Shah was saying one interesting subject. What he says is, if one plant is nutrient, if other plant is not nutrient, it passes signals to the healthy plant saying that I am going to die because of nutrients. The healthy plant will stop taking the nutrients. For example, if somebody died in our family or even our neighbors, we don't like to take care. We feel so sad. Similarly, plant also does the same thing. So plant also have a life. So it is also thinking of concern of other plants. So when the farmer might think this row is very good, this row is not good, the other row will send a signal to the good plants, and good plants will stop taking the nutrients because they feel sad of the low plant. That's an interesting result. Sir will explain once again to you.
Yeah, there is one experiment conducted in some university. They have separated by some glass chamber. In one plant, a healthy plant was there, and in another plant, the dying plant is there. For example, though the nutrients were there in the healthy plant, and there were no nutrients given at the non-healthy plant. The non-healthy plant will be sending continuous signal that there is a depletion of nutrients at its root zone, and then it is unable to survive. It keep on sending those signals, and then the healthy plant was unable to obtain the nutrients from the soil. That's a clear indication that there is a signaling mechanism which is passing through between two plants.
Same like human beings.
Same like human beings.
This is the nature. So agriculture, microbes, all living beings on this earth has interlinked. So we are all human beings are thinking only human beings are interlinked. No, we all have to live along with all living beings, including microorganisms. So thank you, sir. That's an interesting subject. So let the people learn about it and share this with all of them. Please share with others. Very good news what sir has given.